Cookie time. It's in the Bake for Syria book, which is a UNICEF charity book, and 100% of the proceeds go to Syrian children. So if you don't have the book, go to amazon.co.uk or cookforsyria.com. Icing sugar. We have almond flour or almond meal or ground almond. And then if you don't have ground pistachio, just use a little bit more almond flour. Salt. And a tiny bit of orange blossom. And now sifted flour. It's a very, very buttery cookie, so you want to make sure that you don't let the dough get too dry. So as soon as you can start working the dough with your hands and it's not too sticky, that's how it should be. It shouldn't be any drier. I need to make sure to try it, because if it's not buttery enough, see when I said it needed to be exact? Because this is missing. We have to make little balls. So we're going to put them in the fridge so they're nice and cool and they don't flatten too much. So about half an hour, maybe even longer if you can. So we just took them out of the fridge and now they're going into a preheated 160 oven, about 12 minutes. Don't let them brown too much because Graybeh are not supposed to be golden brown, but nicely whitish. Just in time. Look at these beauties. They're falling apart. You gotta make these and then you'll believe how good they are. If you say, whoever says Graybeh in the proper way gets 2 instead of 1 cookie.
Oh, Graybeh. Graybeh.
Again.
Graybeh.
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 Bravo! Okay, both of you.